Our video has been captured, and now it's time to use the QuikScout Hockey program to break down and edit our video. First thing I'm going to do is click on the QuikScout Hockey icon, go into the program, and click Digital Editing and Scouting. Now when I do that, I want to create a new game based on the video that I just captured. So I'm going to click the New button. It's going to ask me to go find the digital file that I just recorded, so I'll hit OK. And I'll go find that on my hard drive. There it is right there. I'm going to hit Open. And now when I open it up, I'm going to get the hockey game playing on the right side of the screen, along with the data entry fields over here on the left, and then you're going to get the custom keyboards down here on the bottom left. The custom keyboards are things that you set up ahead of time so that you're using your own terminology as you go through and do this. So for example, we get it to the beginning of the first play. So let's let this run a little bit to when the first possession starts. We'll say it starts right here inside the zone there. I'm going to hit the begin button. So it pulls that time code over, and you're kind of marking when it began. Now we're going to call it a scoring chance for, let's say, SVU. The forwards on the ice, let's say, are 2, 4, and 5. The defenders are 23 and 24. Again, these are buttons that you're setting up ahead of time with your own terminology. So there's actually 24 buttons down here for each field that you would set up with your own terminology. Scoring chance, we'll just say that it was a rush. Manpower is even strength. We need to get the results, so we'll let it go to the end of this particular zone here. There's a shot. It's a miss. I think the goalie ends up with the puck here. Actually, it comes out of the zone. So it came out of the zone, so we'll pause it. We'll hit end, and now we mark that end time. The result was a shot miss. Now we've got two generic notation fields that you can do whatever you want with. All right. Let's say you want to mark highlights, or you want to mark the word teach if they do something wrong, or you want to mark jersey numbers. Just the point is, anything that we have up here you can mark, but if there's something that you want to mark that's not up here, you can use these notation fields to do. And each one of these things can be customized with 24 buttons into your own terminology. All right. So that's how you enter data. Once the play is over, we would get the video to the beginning of the next one. And let's say it gets dumped back in, which it did. So we'll hit this, we're on play 1 of 1 here, so we'll hit the double arrow. We got a new play now, play 2. We'll hit a begin button, and scoring chance again for SVU. Same forward, same defenseman combination. Scoring chance again. We'll say it was a rush. Again, you're putting your own terminology in there, so you're calling it what you want to call it. That's pretty much all there is to it for entering data for hockey. It's very easy to go through, and at the end you may have 20, 25, 30 plays that you've broken down now. When you're done entering it, maybe you've got this 30 plays and you're done, I'm going to click this X up here to close the game. It's going to ask me for a description. I'll type, us versus them, hit OK, and now it shows up here on my list of my games. And that's it for entering data.